Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 20 US military land vehicles dominating modern battlefields. We'll showcase these incredible machines, from cutting-edge tanks to versatile armored vehicles. But stay tuned, because there's a surprising twist about these vehicles that you won't want to miss. Vehicle number 1, AM General Hawkeye. First up is the AM General Hawkeye. This self-propelled howitzer, mounted on a Humvee chassis, combines an M1A2 105mm cannon with hybrid soft recoil. It's designed for agility and firepower, but the twist is that its unique hybrid design limits its use to specific operations, making it less versatile than some might expect. Vehicle number 2, AM General M939. Next, the AM General M939, a 5-ton truck known for its versatility. While it's been a reliable workhorse, the twist is that it's slowly being replaced by newer models with advanced features, despite its proven durability. Vehicle number 3, AM General M151 MUT. The M151 MUT is a classic military Jeep with exceptional off-road capabilities. It served in various conflicts, but here's the twist. Its lightweight design, while useful, also means it offers less protection compared to modern utility vehicles, leading to its phased-out status. Vehicle number 4, AM General M35. The M35, or Juice and a Half, has been integral to military logistics. Its multi-fuel capability is a standout feature, but the twist is its age. Newer vehicles with better technology and efficiency are taking over its role. Vehicle number 5, AM General Brutus 155mm. The Brutus 155mm howitzer features advanced mobility and firepower. The twist? Despite its modern design, its high-tech components sometimes lead to technical issues, affecting its reliability on the field. Vehicle number 6, Humvee Ambulance Variant. The Humvee Ambulance variant offers vital medical support. The twist is its maintenance challenge. Keeping the medical equipment up to date and operational in harsh conditions can be demanding. Vehicle number 7, Humvee Sabre. The Humvee Sabre is a high-tech vehicle with advanced weaponry. The surprising twist is its vulnerability to cyber threats, which can compromise its advanced systems and effectiveness. Vehicle number 8, General Dynamics LAV-2. The LAV-2 is known for its versatility and protection. However, the twist is its limited internal space, which can affect crew comfort and operational efficiency during extended missions. Vehicle number 9, General Dynamics LAV-3. The LAV-3 enhances protection and firepower, but the twist is its heavy armor can reduce speed and agility, making it less suited for rapid response scenarios. Vehicle number 10, General Dynamics LAV 6.0. The LAV 6.0 incorporates advanced technology and protection. The twist here is its sophisticated electronics can be prone to failures in extreme environments, impacting its performance. Vehicle number 11, General Dynamics LAV 700. The LAV 700 offers exceptional performance and protection. The twist is its high operational cost, which poses a significant budgetary challenge for military forces. Vehicle number 12, BAE Systems Armored Multipurpose Vehicle, AMV. The AMV is versatile with improved mobility and protection. The twist, its complexity in design, can lead to increased maintenance needs and logistical difficulties. Vehicle number 13, BAE Systems CV90. The CV90 series is renowned for its adaptability and advanced capabilities. The twist is its high-tech features can sometimes lead to increased maintenance and operational costs, despite its impressive performance. Vehicle number 14, BAE Systems Archer Mobile Howitzer. The Archer Mobile Howitzer combines mobility and firepower. The twist here is that its advanced targeting systems can sometimes be vulnerable to electronic warfare, affecting its effectiveness. Vehicle number 15, Oshkosh M1A2. The M1A2 is designed for enhanced protection and mobility in combat zones. The twist is its size and weight, which, while offering protection, can limit its maneuverability in tight spaces. Vehicle number 16, Oshkosh JLTV. The JLTV offers superior mobility and protection. However, the twist is that its advanced features come with a higher maintenance cost, which can strain military budgets. Vehicle number 17, Lockheed Martin High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS. The HIMARS provides precision firepower with high mobility. The twist is that its effectiveness can be compromised by logistical and maintenance issues, impacting its operational readiness. Vehicle number 18, M113 Armored Personnel Carrier. The M113 is a reliable personnel carrier. The twist is its age. While it has served well, its outdated technology is leading to gradual phasing out in favor of newer vehicles. Vehicle number 19, M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System MLRS. The MLRS is known for its firepower and range. The twist is its complex logistics and maintenance requirements, which can affect its deployment efficiency. Vehicle number 20, Stryker Combat Vehicle. The Stryker offers versatility and protection. The twist is its modular design. While innovative, can sometimes lead to issues with maintenance and upgrades, impacting overall performance. Here's the surprising twist. Despite all these advanced vehicles, the real challenge lies in the logistics and maintenance of such a diverse and high-tech fleet. While these machines are at the forefront of military technology, the complexity and cost of maintaining them present a significant hurdle for the military. Now that you're familiar with the top 20 US military land vehicles dominating modern battlefields, you should stay tuned to our next video. Why the $19 million M1A2 Abrams tank might be a headache for the military. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.